everyone, we're going to evaluate the definite integral over 0 to 1, the cube root of 1 plus 7x dx. We're going to use the substitution rule for definite integrals. So we proceed as usual, and we're going to let u equal this quantity here. So if u equals 1 plus 7x, then the derivative of u equals 7. And that would be dx. All right, so we want to solve for dx. So dx, you multiply through by 1/7 equals 1/7 du. All right, now the thing with the definite integral, we're not going to be substituting this back in, so we're going to have to change our limits of integration. So basically, if t equals 0, or x, we don't have t, this is x. If x is 0, so I plug a 0 into this, we have x equals 0, then my u is going to equal 1. If my x is 1, so that's for this one, then my u is going to be 8. So now my limits have changed from 1 to 8. And then this is u, so we have u to the 1/3 power. I'm just make this a rational expression. And then dx is 1/7 du. Now I have everything in terms of du, and I have changed my limits of integration. So now let's evaluate it. I'm going to go ahead and move this in front here. And then we still have u to the 1/3 power du. So this is going to end up being u, you add 1 to the 4/3, divided by 4/3. And we're evaluating from 1 to 8. Let's simplify this a little bit. This is going to be 1/7. Bring this 3 up here, so it's going to be 3. U to the 4/3 divided by 4. And evaluate from 1 to 8. And then again, let's pull out the 3/4. So that's going to be 3 divided by 28. And I pulled that out, and now we're going to just evaluate the u to the 4/3. So we have u is going to be 8. You always start with this one. 8 to the 4/3 power minus 1 to the 4/3 power. So 8 to the 4/3 is going to be cube root of 8 to the 4th. Cube root of 8 is 2, and 2 to the 4th is 16. So what we end up having, I'm running a little bit out of room here. So we have 3 divided by 28, and this is equal to 16. Again, this is a cube root of 8 is 2, and then the 4th power. So this is 16. 1 to the 4/3 power is just 1. So you get this equals 3 divided by 28 times 15. And this is going to end up being 45 divided by 28. And this is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.